Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 20b. Okay, so Part 20 and Part 20b is both talking about proof trigonometry identities. However, Part 20 is pretty simple. It's all straightforward conversions. Part 20b is a little bit hard questions. Okay, you can see this question is not as nice as the Part 20, right? So we got a huge side and then both side is like not straightforward. So in this case, you have to prove both side to be same. Just convert both side. All right, but still, this kind of question is not hard at all. You just do this sometimes is require a little bit experience. Okay, so but most of the times is convert to everything to sine cosine to see the change to try to match them. All right, so for the first one, let's look at the question first. Cosecant x, a 4th power x minus 1. And right hand side is like a big things here. Okay, let's give a try here. Okay, this require a little bit experience. See, cosecant 4x minus 1. So if we can convert these things to cosecant square x square, and then this is 1 square. So cosecant square x bracket square minus 1 square. So we can using these identities. A square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. This is come from grade 10 factor. Okay, so let's give a try here. Why we think about this? Because cosecant square x minus 1 actually gave us something. What is it? Cosecant square x minus 1, just cotangent square x, right? Remember these 3 upside down triangles. 1 square plus cosine x square equal to cosecant x square. Tangent square plus 1 square equal to secant x square. And then sine square plus cosine square equal to 1 square. Remember this? All right, let's try to factor it. This become cosecant square x minus 1 and then cosecant square x plus 1. Okay, so cosecant square x minus 1 just equal to cotangent, right? Because cotangent square x plus 1 equal to cosecant square x. Okay, so if you just moving 1 to the other side, which is equal to cotangent. So this just cotangent square x. And then this side is cosecant square x plus 1. We can do nothing here. Just copy them down. And then try to convert all to sine and cosine. Cotangent square just equal to go up. So cosine square over sine square. Okay? And then cosecant square x just equal to 1 over sine square x, because the sine and the cosecant are reciprocal functions, plus 1. 1, we have the common denominator, right? So 1 just equal to sine square x over sine square x. Okay, on the left hand side here, this is all left hand side. Okay, this part we cannot do anything. In here we have same denominator, we can add them up. So cosine square x over sine square x, and then this side is sine square x over 1 plus sine square x. Make sense? And then let's see, sine square is sine power of 4. Cosine x squared times 1 plus sine square here. Is it exactly the same? We're done. Okay, we've been changing everything on the left hand side just up directly poached to right hand side. Okay, so if you cannot think this way, it's not end of word. You can open that and then just do change everything to sine and cosine, you will eventually get it. So this way is a little bit fast way. Okay, good. Next one, change a different color pen here. Okay, tangent x, cotangent x. So square, square. Hey, we can use the same thing, right? We can use tangent x plus cotangent x, and then tangent x minus cotangent x. Okay, let's see what we can do from here. Again, we change it, right? We change to sine over cosine plus cosine over sine. This thing is a sine over cosine minus cosine over sine. Okay, let's see if actually it's doing something here. So the bottoms, if we cancel it, we common denominator. So we times sine function both up and bottom here. Cosine function both up and bottom here. Let's using different color pens. I times sine function here. Sine function and then sine function. Cosine function. Cosine function. So we're going to have what? We're going to have the bottom is a sine x, cosine x, sine x, cosine x. On the top, we have sine x squared, cosine x squared. All right? So on this part, going to be equal to sine square x plus cosine square x over sine x cosine x. Make sense? I repeat, the bottom part of the denominator is a sine times cosine. This is sine times cosine too. Sine, cosine, they are same. So they are same denominator. On the top is a sine x times sine x is a sine square x. Cosine x times cosine x is a cosine square x. So common denominator, we have common denominator. Denominator is the same. On top, just add up, right? What is it? Sine x plus cosine x just equal to 1, right? So these entire things just equal to 1. We can do the same thing here. I times sine x here, sine x here, cosine x here, cosine x here. Okay, on this side, we're going to have sine x cosine x, which is equal to sine x squared minus cosine x squared, right? So this is sine x squared, cosine x squared. Make sense? Make sense? Okay, so sine x minus cosine x, this is one term. This is the other term here. So the bottom equal to sine x times cosine x. Let's remove this. Save some space here. Okay, so change the color of pen. Okay, so on here we got sine x, cosine x, cosine x, they multiply. So it'll be sine x squared, cosine x squared in the bottoms. On the top, just equal to 1 times sine x squared minus cosine squared. It's just sine x squared minus cosine x squared. And that's it. So let's see. Is it exactly the same? We're done. So, in summarize, how to do this kind of questions. Nothing fancy. Just do a little bit factors and then trying to simplify. Change everything you can to sine and cosine using common denominator and done. Make sense? If you have any questions or harder question you think that one is really hard, comment below send me the questions. I will do the tutorials to show you this kind of question is the easiest question on trigonometry. Okay, hope you enjoy the videos. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.